Hello, students. Welcome to Marvelous Monday. Let's find a place where we have some space to enjoy our stretch. I'm going to take a big breath and blow it all out like a loud balloon. Let me hear you. When I'm here in downward frog, I wobble and feel a stretch in my ankles. I can wiggle and feel a stretch in my knees. I can wobble some more or ribbit and feel a stretch in my hips. Now I'm going to put my hands down, drop my head, and stretch my legs. Then I'm going to roll up. Okay, time to enjoy our breathing. Be sure your feet are shoulder width apart. Your arms are at your sides. You're standing straight but not stiff. Gently close your eyes and breathe in and out. Breathing in and out. I imagine myself a strong, calm mountain. Breathing in and out. My feet go to the center of the earth. My head is high in the sky as I breathe in and out. All of nature is all around me. The animals are walking on me as I breathe in and out. The wind blows over me. The rain and the snow fall on me as I breathe in and out. I am a strong, calm mountain. Gently open your eyes. Okay, let's be trees. Here we go. Plant your trunk in the ground. Get ready to spread your branches. Breathe in and out. Getting taller. Breathing in and out. Getting taller. Breathing in. Don't hunch your shoulders. Leave your shoulders down, but feel yourself getting taller and taller and taller. Okay, let's plant our other trunk in the ground. Feel your roots going to the center of the earth. Your branches are spreading out as you fill with air. Breathing in and out. Getting taller. Even taller, all the way as tall as you can be, a tall, strong tree. Your head is high in the sky. Breathing in and out. Okay, today I want us to review Dr. King's dream. Remember, it's about Dr. King and about all people. In this case, there's a picture of children being treated equally, about how you have to be strong. Okay, here we go. Martin Luther King had a dream for all people to be treated equally. So when you see something wrong, be strong. Stand up and say, "That's not okay." All right? And a lot of you have your packets now, so you can also enjoy reviewing this on your own at home. Today we're going to learn a new song that some of you I think may already know, and it's a really fun song to practice reading our numbers and counting. So I can see it has something to do with a big fish and maybe something to do with my pinky. I don't know, with my little finger. Let's see. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Wow, caught. Look at all those letters. A-U-G-H-T, but they're all silent except the k, a, t. Okay, so that's a little bit tricky. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Okay, I think some of you may know this, but some of you won't. So let's sing it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Okay, and there's some fun actions to go with it. So we're going to pretend we're the Fisher person, right? 1, and we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm counting on my fingers, right? Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. And then I'm doing like the little finger like on the poster, okay? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. You can look kind of mad there, or maybe it hurts. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Okay, give me a minute. I'll fix the camera for our Let's take a look at our message. January 25th, 2021. Dear students. Oh my gosh, the message looks really different. So before I start trying to read the words, I'm going to try to figure out what's going on, right? So I see there's 3 lines here. Oh, there's Martin Luther King Jr. and they're all circled with blue or kind of have blue around them. And there's some other words over here that have green around them. And here's something with red around it. Maybe this is a question because it has what. And then there's some arrows going between these 3 lines and these 4 words, okay? So now that I have an idea of kind of how it's organized, remember, when we're reading something, having an idea about how it's organized will help us understand it. I'm ready to read. Okay, dear students, Martin Luther King Jr., Rosa Parks, Ruby Bridges. Oh, they're all people, right? I know they're people because I remember them. Also, I notice their names all start with a capital letter. So, Martin Luther King Jr., Rosa Parks, Ruby Bridges. Okay, now over here in the green it says boycott, racist, segregation, civil rights. Oh, those are all the words, the vocabulary, the special words we've been learning about, right? Okay, then I think this is going to be the question. What connections can you make? Ooh, connections. So that's why there are arrows, I think, between the people we've been learning about and the words and the ideas we've been learning about. Because we need to be able to make connections, right, to learn and understand stuff. So we've been learning about Martin Luther King Jr. and Rosa Parks. And we enjoyed this book about Ruby Bridges. And we've also learned these words. Let's review them for a moment. Boycott, to refuse to use or buy something as a form of protest. Racist, to be against someone or unfair to them because of their race. People or laws can be racist. Segregate, to separate groups of people by race. Civil rights, things we can do or have according to the law, like vote, be treated equally, and for children, go to public school, right? So we've been learning, how can we connect these? This is going to be your seesaw activity, but I think I'm just going to give you an example maybe to start. So I could say, Rosa Parks started the bus boycott, right? The bus boycott because the bus rules were unfair. Oh, and let's see. Martin Luther King Jr. was a leader fighting for civil rights, right? So there's ways I can put the people together with the words and the ideas in a sentence. So that's going to be your seesaw activity. And I look forward to seeing what you've written. Bye.